Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Antimi Wireless Earphones X10. These are wireless headphones with Bluetooth 5.0 TWS. These are headphones in wireless condition. You have earbuds, noise cancelling system, and 140 hours of playtime with microphone, hi-fi LED display, IPX7 waterproof for iPhone, Android phones, iOS, etc. And I am going to use this for my Nintendo Switch console. This will work too if you have a Bluetooth transmitter at the console, of course. These wireless headphones are equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology to ensure a stable connection and pure sound quality. Built-in high-quality microphone with AAC decoding and lossless HD rendering technology for incredible music experience, deep bass and clear highs. And this is right, you have a really nice sound in it. And you have a really awesome look with these headphones. You have a large capacity and a low power design. These wireless earbuds with 3500 milliampere hours charging case, in total 140 minutes hours playtime, not minutes, hours, 140 hours of playtime. It can last 3 up to 4 hours playtime for a single charge. Don't worry about power outage when you travel. Intimate LED displays show the power of the charging box, because the charging box is a power bank as well. You can also use this ultra high capacity charging case as an alternative power bank for your Apple iPhone XS, XR, X8, 7 Plus, etc. Also Samsung Galaxy, Android phones, iPad, and so on. Every device, if you have a wire for it, with USB or USB-C, you can charge it. You have one-step pairing option. These wireless Bluetooth headphones are equipped with one-step pairing technology. Take the left and the right earbuds out of charging case, then the earphones will pair with each other to the X10 automatically, then appear on your device and dock it each other. In a matter of seconds, you're in the headphone high quality sound world. And you can use it as mono and stereo headset. That means if you only take one earbud out of the package, then the each earbud, what you are remove out of the case, will have a separately Bluetooth connection. Wow, this is awesome. If you do or remove or extract the both of the earbuds will connect each other, and then you are able to connect in the stereo mode. This is awesome, I think, because you can, if you like, to save more electronic power, take only one of them. The headphones with IPX7 waterproof options are equipped with 3 different sizes of soft silicone earplugs, S, M, and L. The 3-point support design of the earphones ensures safer fitting. Perfect fit for your ears when you're at the gym, exercising, running, jogging. You don't have to worry about it because it's only 4.2 gram. It is so lightweight. It's awesome, really awesome. You have with these wireless earphones, these are designed with sensitive areas on the surface. You can freely switch songs. If you are paired, you can switch the song to the next song on the right side with two dips on it. Then you will go forward, and if you dip on the left side on your earbud, this will replay the last song. If you will come, if there is coming a phone call to you, you can choose the right or the left side, and you have to press one times on the touch panels on the right or on the left side. If you like to volume up, you can hold the right button, and this will volume up the sound. If you push and hold the left side button, it will go down with the volume. And if you have a phone call and you like to stop the phone call, press twice on the right or the left earbud. This is really easy to use, and it's nice, and it is functional. You can freely switch what you are going to do is only touch it on the earbuds. Wonderful, really wonderful. You can freely switch songs, answer, reject, call, adjust volume, and call Siri, for example, or Cortana, or other speech assistants. Besides, the Magic headphones have left and right ear separated design to sub mono stereo modes. And I think this is one of the best earphones I ever have. And now let's dock them to my phone and have a look how it works. And I think it works really nice and easy. First, you need to pair the left and the right earpieces. Please take the right one first and then take the left one. Or you can remove both of them at the same time. They will pair automatically. Then select the X10 in your device. If you have used in mono mode before, you need forget the X10L and X10R first. Then pair them and connect the X10 in your device. Please take out the right earphone to connect the X10R in mono mode, and take out the left one for connecting the XL. You can connect then to two different devices. That means you have here, it is possible to use two different Bluetooth smartphones, for example. One on the right side is connected on one, and the other is connected on the other side. Awesome, really awesome. And you have a portable power bank. The 3500 mAh charging box can be a portable power bank, which can charge your cell phones, for example. Once the earbud in the charging box, they can be charged automatically and only takes 1 hour for full charge. The full charging case can charge about 35 times for the earbuds, which means you will get back 140 hours of playtime if you full charged your case before. You have the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and instant pairing mode. These two wireless earbuds with the most advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It owns highest stable Bluetooth connection with touch control. Ready of cord. Enjoy the real wireless options. Audio won't cut in and out anymore. Your music world will no longer be disturbed. You have a touch control and a comfort fit. Through touch control instead of the physical buttons, Bluetooth earphones are very comfortable to wear with 3 pairs of silicone earplugs in SM and L. These are different size for your different ear channel, suitable for different shapes of the ears. They will stay safely inside your ears if you use them while exercising, for example. And you have IPX7 waterproof, perfect for every wet condition. Then headphones are made of high quality and waterproof materials. The waterproof grade is IPX7. You do not need to worry about sweat or rains. Ideal for enjoying favorite music while doing exercise at the gym. And you have universal compatibility. It is compatible with all kind of Bluetooth devices, Android, BlackBerry, HTC, Samsung, Apple, everything is connectable. And as you can see in this video, I can connect these Bluetooth headphones with my Nintendo Switch too. Oh yeah, so that it is. I like them really much and I will continue of wearing these wireless headphones with Bluetooth 5.0 TWS headphones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.